Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan, the wheelchair van man. If you have a wheelchair van that has a folding ramp and while driving down the road you have a rattle, today we're going to take a quick look at on how we can adjust that rattle. Start by opening up the door. On the front edge of the door you can see here there's going to be this roller. This wheel is actually going to come in and it's going to apply pressure into the corner of this ramp, holding it taut. These will generally have an adjustment. Sometimes it'll be on the wheel itself here where these will be slotted, or you'll have to pull the interior back a little bit so you can adjust it, bringing this wheel out. When that goes out, that's going to come on in and apply more pressure onto this platform, holding it in. Now, if you make that adjustment, the door gets almost all the way closed and it reverses. We've got that adjusted too far out now, and we need to bring it back a little bit until we get the door closing and not reversing. Something to also check for is on the back side of your folding ramp, there's going to be these little rubber bushings. It's either going to be on the bottom half or it'll be on the top half of your ramp. That's going to eliminate, when this is in the stowed position, this sitting here rattling aluminum on aluminum. Well, you can check this after you make your adjustment. You get your door closed. You can reach in. You can see your ramp there. You can grab a hold of this, and you want this to be very, very solid in here. If it's still super sloppy, open the door, continue to make your adjustments until that roller wheel is coming in, applying nice, strong pressure onto the side of the ramp, keeping everything taut. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you're looking for a dealer near you, check out BLVD.com, where we got dealers nationwide. Select dealer locator, find one near you. Shopping for a new or used wheelchair van? Shop over 5,000 new and used wheelchair accessible vehicles. Now, what we discussed on this is the same for all brands of vehicles. It doesn't matter if it's a Toyota, Honda, Chrysler, etc. Getting question, comments, leave them below.